And now we are focusing on education for you. And the focus is Noble Academy. Cameron Fontana is there to show us some of the ways they are learning at that academy. Aren't you, Cameron?
You know what, Sean, it's always a good feeling when you get to go back to school. Like you said, we're at Noble Academy, and really what's cool is this academy really specializes in STEM research and science and technology and math and all the fun subjects that kids want to learn. We are with the assistant principal, Coleman, right now. How are you doing, sir?
Doing wonderful. Thanks so much for coming out.
So if no one's ever heard of Noble Academy, what is it, and for what grade levels does it teach?
We are a STEM-focused K-8 school on Bethel Road. We serve a pretty diverse population on the west side of Columbus. Our main focus is math and science. We're always looking to give our kids real-world, hands-on experiences. So we have a bunch of science projects for you to check out today.
I love it. I love when we can be hands-on. So we're going to walk through and see some of these demonstrations. This is Bedri. So Bedri, you're part of a robotics club, and what is this?
This is a robot which works on reflected light intensity, which means that whenever it senses a white color, it will reverse and spin.
And you guys made this yourself?
Yeah.
That is incredible. So how long did it take you to create this robot?
It took about 2 days, but it was pretty easy.
How cool is that you get to do this for school?
Yeah.
All right, so there's another robot over here. Tyler, tell me about this guy that they're putting on the table.
Well, it is powered with VEX batteries, which go up to 3,000 mAh.
And you're able to do this with a controller.
We're able to do this with a controller because right here we have a Bluetooth.
That's incredible.
Bluetooth plug-in.
So you're learning all about technology, and look at that skill right there. See, you held it right to the edge. That is so awesome. Now let's walk over here. So we have Jason here. Jason, you guys have a kit right here that's talking about DNA extraction. Why would someone extract DNA?
To see what's in it, to study it more, to see what they have.
Nice, to really see the insides. Now, Janisha, what's happening? Because you're turning household items to be able to do this, right?
Yeah, so we got the extraction here mixed in with dish soap and salt. And then we're gonna pour the smashed strawberries, which are mixed in with the extraction, in the beaker. And then they're pouring the layer of alcohol. And then they're going to use a toothpick to mix it.
Wow.
And pull the DNA extract out.
I had no idea. Look at that. That's the DNA. So you're telling me I can extract DNA with stuff I have around my house?
Yep.
That is incredible. Now, I want to know, Nuseba, what type of things do you learn in addition to science? Is this a pretty cool school to come to?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what are the best things that you've learned in your classroom?
Science.
You learned science. Do you like science a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're extracting DNA. Did you have any idea you could do this before you studied it?
No.
No? That is incredible. Okay, so we're going to go right over here. What are you showing with this pH paper?
So I'm showing, you can
Like the pH balance?
Yeah, so by putting this in different substances, it can show you the how much pH is.
Wow. So, because I know with pH, it has to do with acidity, right? So you're learning this in the class.
Yes.
Wow, this is so cool. You go around here, everything's hands-on, and these are all part of science experiments and such a small fraction, Assistant Principal Coleman, of what people can experience here. So what events do you have coming up for families to potentially send their kids and check this place out?
Well, the projects you just saw here were ones that our kids competed with at the Regional Science Fair at Columbus State this weekend.
So cool.
We did a great job. The kids went out there, loved showing them off for the community. Our Robox team has been at several competitions this school year already. We got 5th place, I believe, at the one in Grandview earlier. We go one more competition in Indianapolis later in the spring.
Wow.
Here on campus, we're going to be hosting an international festival on April 22nd. We'll have local restaurants, families bringing in dishes from their native countries, students performing traditional dances and calligraphy.
I love the diversity.
Yeah, so here at Noble, we really celebrate diversity. We have students who come from many different backgrounds, many different nationalities, religions, and here we like to celebrate that stuff.
And do you have an open house or enrollment period?
We are currently doing open registration right now. If you go to our website, noblecolumbus.org, you can register online. We are accepting applications right now, first come, first serve. We have a few spots open, so if you're interested, please come on quickly and sign your kid up.
I love it. Well, Assistant Principal Coleman, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Elisa, back in the studio, did you know we have supplies at our house to extract DNA? Who knew?
I had no idea. Those kids are so smart. Way too smart for me, Cam. Thanks.